Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be actually doing one of my clients' hair on camera. So I get a lot of questions and I am going to start taking clients beginning January 2019. So stay tuned. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and start braiding her hair down in the natural foundation that I usually do for my crochet. If you aren't familiar with that, I will link a video below for you to check out. So definitely check that out. And if you are new here and you haven't hit the subscribe button, then what are you waiting on? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell right next to it so you don't miss any of my uploads. Okay, so here is the foundation. I did about 16 braids going across the front and they are connecting to about 8 braids in the back. So the hair that we use for this tutorial is by the brand Harlem 125. It is the Kima Braid Ocean Wave in the 20-inch and it is in the color 1B. We used 4 packs for this installation. So the oil that I am applying to her scalp is the Jamaican black castor oil with peppermint oil in it. So because this hair is on the silkier side, you want to loop it when you are crocheting it. You want to loop it at least 3 to 4 times to ensure that the curl does not slip out. the invisible part method, you basically want to tie the hair into a knot, just like this. And then you just want to take a small portion from each side and basically tie that into a smaller knot to form the invisible knot. So the hair does come in 20 inches, and I did go ahead and cut majority of the packs in half because I am trying to achieve the bob style. So majority of the style is short, but for the front portions of the hair, I did just leave them as is.